We've all been there. Food hits the floor. You look around. 5-second rule. But is it real science? Or just a comforting lie we tell ourselves? Scientists at Rutgers University actually tested this. Their results will change how you see your kitchen floor. The rule says food is safe if you grab it in 5 seconds. Because bacteria need time to move, right? Professor Donald Schaffner and his team went big. 4 different foods. 4 surfaces. 4 contact times. First finding, bacteria transfer is instant. Contamination happens in under 1 second. The 5-second rule? Busted. More time does mean more bacteria. Food left for 5 minutes had way more than food left for 5 seconds. But time isn't the biggest factor. The real culprit? Moisture. They tested dry gummy candy versus wet watermelon. The gummy picked up almost nothing. The watermelon? Covered in bacteria. Bacteria don't have legs. They travel with water. Wet food equals high risk. Now the final twist. They tested steel, tile, wood, and carpet. Which surface transferred the least bacteria? Carpet. Yes, carpet. Your clean kitchen tile is more dangerous. Tile makes perfect flat contact. It creates a bridge for moisture and bacteria. Carpet fibers are bumpy and uneven. Food only touches the tiny tips. Way less contact. Way less transfer. So should you eat floor food? No, even instant transfer can make you sick. Salmonella and E. coli don't care about your 5-second timer. The safest choice is simple. When in doubt, throw it out. But here's the irony. If you absolutely had to pick, which you shouldn't, that dry cookie on carpet is safer than wet watermelon on tile. Science just flipped everything you thought you knew.